Congratulations once again, Priyanka. You absolutely deserve it. It is time for our
Final four.
And we would like to request Shilpa Shetty to please join Mr. R.S. Kalsi on stage to present this award.
This is a really big moment. It's the award for Best Actor in a Leading Role Male.
The awards that we've been waiting for all night.
IFA Awards nominations for performance in a leading role male are Amitabh Bachchan for Piku,
उसके मोशन से जुड़ा हुआ है.
Ranbir Kapoor for Tamasha,
12 मुल्कों की पुलिस मुझे ढूंढ रही है और आप
Ranveer Singh for Bajirao Mastani, Salman Khan for Bajrangi Bhaijaan,
संकट हरे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमरे हनुमत बलबीरा.
Varun Dhawan for Badlapur. Don't miss the beginning.
ऑर्डर के लिए.
A very good evening to you, Madrid. For best performance in a leading role male goes to the man with the most infectious energy, Baji Rao, Ranveer Singh.
Thank you. Oh, I love you too. Wow, man. Best actor. क्या बात है. शुक्र है जीत गया. आदि सर का सेट छोड़ के आया हूँ. वरना क्या मुंह दिखाता. Thank God I won. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for this honor. I was at IFA, I won my best debut for Band Baja Bharat, and I said this is just the beginning. Thank you so much. Sir, I love you. I hope we continue to make magic together. I'd like you to give it up for our hosts, ladies and gentlemen. And finally, my last address to Deepika Padukone. I was very moved by that performance. Leela to my Ram, Mastani to my Baji Rao. I wonder what you're going to be next. Girl, you're so fine. And by fine, I mean a fine performer. What an actor. Nothing makes me happier than you, Deepika. Oh, nothing makes me happier than winning this award with you. I hope you win Best Actress. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I promise you there's a lot more to come. Good night. Thank you.
Well, congratulations. And now it's the IFA Award for the most powerful performance in a leading role by a woman.
IFA Awards nominations for performance in a leading role female are Deepika Padukone for Bajirao Mastani,
ठोकर पत्थर से लगे तभी हाथ तलवार पर ही जाता है.
To invite Tiger Shroff to join Mr. R.S. Kalsi on stage.
Good evening. Best performance in a leading role female goes to
Deepika Padukone for the film Piku.
हम चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में धड़कने भी तेज हैं अब क्या करें.
Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Madrid. But most importantly, thank you to all my fans who've been so amazing over the years. I want to dedicate this award to everyone, I think, who works behind the scenes. Actors walk away with the credit, directors walk away with the credit, producers walk away with the credit. But I think this one's really for all the writers. Juhi, I'm so happy that IFA every year does the technical awards specifically to honor these amazingly talented people who make our lives and our success possible. So I dedicate this award to all of you.
Nexa IFA Award for performance in a leading role male goes to oh, this is a cheesy screenplay that I'm announcing now. It's very difficult to call this person by any other name than what I know him, because he's a chameleon, and when he's doing a film, he's that character. So it goes to Ranveer Singh for Padmavat.
छह बॉल में 6 छक्के।
Few words exchange here. Every chance now. Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away in style.
What a player.
It's blessing enough for me that I actually made it as an actor. It's actually a miracle. A miracle that's made possible by the blessings of my family, my mother, my father, my sister, who, with their love and support, I'm able to live my dream every day. To do what I'm really passionate about doing. Hey, I do what I love to do for a living, and there's nothing greater than that. It's a gift. And I'm grateful for that every single day. And that's enough for me. Just the fact that I'm an actor. So this, recognition like this, is truly overwhelming. I would like to dedicate this award to the team of Padmavat, who worked very hard to try and make something special. Most of all, to Sanjay sir, who shaped and molded me into the actor that I am today. And to all my directors, who've made me into the actor that I am today. My wife is sitting right there in the front row looking damn proud of me and looking damn fine. I mean, what more could I ask for? और क्या मांगू मैं ऊपर वाले से? I am extremely humbled by all the love I've received over the years, and I hope I'm able to do my best in times to come. Thank you, Mumbai. Thank you, IFA. Good night and good movies.
Thank you. Big hand for Ranveer Singh, such a superstar, so inspiring. Love you, man.
What can I say? Thank you.
What a gorgeous ending to this beautiful weekend. Thank you very much to everyone involved in the album. Thank you to our producers, Sajid Nyadadwala and Karan Johar, and Amitabh Bhattacharya for doing such a fantastic job on this, and all the musicians who played with us. Thank you very much.
उमंग साहब, आपकी पिक्चर का फेमस डायलॉग याद है आपको? आपको तो याद होगा ही। दर्शन भाई, याद है आपको? याद है? किसी को इतना भी मत डराओ कि डर ही खत्म हो जाए। हाँ? किल दिल देखने के बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स ने पता है क्या कहा? किसी को इतना भी मत पकाओ कि मंडे से पिक्चर ही उतर जाए।
अब ऐसा नहीं है बाबा, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है। आई मीन तू बहुत ही टैलेंटेड एक्टर है, बहुत ही टैलेंटेड। सालो ओवर एक्टर कहीं का, कितना हैमिंग करता है, कितना फुटेज खाता है सब।
बाबा तेरे सामने तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूं यार, फैमिली का नाम लेके इंडस्ट्री में आया साहब।
आप सब सोच रहे होंगे हम दोनों को क्या हो गया है, हाँ, पर ये सच बात है कि बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स दोस्ती सिर्फ हमारे कैमरास के सामने करते हैं। हम दोनों ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं है,
हम दोनों ऐसे नहीं
वी आर एक्सेप्शन टू दिस रूल, पर इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा होता है।
इस इंडस्ट्री में एक फ्रेंडली इमेज रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसीलिए लोग काफी सारी चीजें सिर्फ कैमरा के लिए करते हैं, पर
अंदर से हमारे थॉट्स बहुत ही अलग है। दिखाएं बाबा इनको, आइए हम आपको दिखाते हैं।
आइए दिखाते हैं कैसे होता है। अंदर से कुछ और, बाहर से कुछ और।
जैकलीन, विल यू प्लीज हेल्प अस? हाँ
जैकलीन जी, जब आप किसी दूसरी एक्ट्रेस को रेड कार्पेट पर मिलती है तो क्या कहती हैं?
Now you greet me as a fellow co-artist and say what you would say.
Well, you have to give an air kiss first, because of makeup, and the first thing you have to say is, "I love what you're wearing."
But what she actually means is, "I hate what you're wearing."
No.
I hope you grip on your gown and die.
Never.
Oh, no?
No.
ऐसी बात नहीं है। और क्या क्या कहती हैं आप अपनी कंटेम्प्रेरी एक्ट्रेस को रेड कार्पेट पे?
I saw your last movie and I'm your big fan now.
Feeling is great. Very good. तुम्हारा डांस हमारा पूरा सिस्टम क्लियर कर दिया। अभी तुमको पिको के साथ जो करना है करो। You can marry her, you can take her home, you can do what you want.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting the super talented, sensational superstar, Deepika Padukone.